Hey guys, it's DeathfireD coming at you with another YouTube video. This is a Jeep video on how to upgrade your LED lights on the climate control and the bottom panel, which has got like your fog lights and back wipers and stuff. So if you've purchased the OneWayLight package, they have all the bulbs listed, but one thing that I've had trouble with is getting the bulbs in the back of this. The quickest way that I've found is to remove this bottom cluster so it leans down, and then you're able to fully pull this out after removing the screws. You can fully pull it out and lean it downward like this, and then you'll have perfect access to each of the bulbs. As you can see, here's one there, and then there's another one in the back right there, and there should only be two. They're very easy to remove. You just get a flathead screwdriver and turn them to the left or counterclockwise a tiny bit, and then you should be able to just pull them out with some needle nose pliers or maybe your fingers, and then just pop in the LED ones. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys out, and good luck.